Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check the warranty on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now on this website, just tap on the three lines over here and tap on support. And on this page, you will find the option of authenticity and activation date inquiry. Just tap on it. Now in this section, just enter the IMEI number or the serial number of the smartphone. To get the IMEI or the serial number, just go to your home screen and open settings. From here, just tap on about device. Then tap on status. Now just tap and hold on the IMEI number and copy the IMEI number. After you copy the IMEI number, then go back to the website. Then paste the copied IMEI number over here. Then tap on check. Now just drag the slider and complete the verification process. And from here, it will give you the model of your smartphone. And from here, you can check the activation date or the warranty start date of your smartphone. And as you can see, our warranty start date is 13th of August 2025. Now, the warranty end date is usually an year after the warranty start date or the activation date. Now, in our case, the warranty start date is 13th of August 2025. So the warranty end date will be 13th of August 2026. And this is how you can check the warranty of the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.